Reports turn raw data into the answers you actually need. How many hours did our team log this quarter? Which incidents went over 30 minutes response time? Whose certifications expire next month? What was the response timeline on major incident X? TicketsCAD ships 12 standard reports, 6 on the incident side, 6 on the personnel side, plus a PAR, personnel accountability, report that lives with the incident group. We'll tour each. CSV export and print-friendly format for all of them. Reports page. 2 button groups across the top, incident and personnel. Incident reports. 6 of them, plus PAR. Incidents, full detail. Summary, counts and trends. Dispatch log, time-stamped events. Unit log, per unit response history. Facility log, every incident routed to a facility. After action, narrative report for a specific incident. And the PAR button, personnel accountability, sits right alongside them. Personnel reports, 6 of them. Roster, time summary, expirations. Inactive, DMR IDs. Period selector for any incident report. Today, this week, last week, this month, last month, this year, last year, custom range. Responder filter, limit to 1 unit's history. Incident filter for after-action reports picks the specific incident. Incident report, full detail of every incident in the period. This month, run, builds in seconds. Each row is 1 incident, sortable by any column. Make to sort. Click again to reverse. Click any row to open the incident detail in a new tab. Summary, different shape from incidents. Aggregations, count by type, by severity, by status. Top, summary cards. Total incidents this month. Closed this month. Average response time. Average close time. Breakdown table. Incident types ranked by frequency. Severity distribution. Open versus closed. Switch to last year. Same shape, different data. Year-over-year comparisons help you spot trends. Dispatch log. Time-stamped event timeline. Every status change. Every assignment. Every clear. Sortable by time, unit, incident. Used for after-action review. What time did we get the second wave call? When did Engine 7 actually arrive on scene? Hard data, not memory. Log. Per unit history. Pick a unit, see every dispatch they responded to. Useful for unit-level performance reviews. Average response time, total incidents, time on duty. Facility log. Incidents grouped by destination facility. Hospitals, shelters, command posts. Every incident that routed to a facility, which unit responded, when they were dispatched, and when they arrived. After action. Pick an incident, generate a narrative report. Pre-fills from incident data, free-form narrative section. Module 8 covered after actions from the dispatcher side, same report. And PAR, personnel accountability reporting. This one opens its own page. It covers accountability compliance and gives you a per-incident timeline of who acknowledged a PAR check and when. On a real activation, that's your record that you accounted for everyone on scene. It can also export an ICS 214 style PAR. Field units respond to PAR checks from mobile. Module 23 shows that side. Personnel side. Roster, directory dump. Time summary, totals by member. Pick date range. Filter to 1 member or run org-wide. Expirations, every CERT expiring within the day's parameter. Dues due, members whose dues fall in the window. The report's heading reads Membership Renewals. Treasurer's list. Inactive, anyone not logging time, mark inactive or unavailable. The list to call before the next drill. DMR IDs. DMR IDs pulled from member notes. For repeater operators. CSV export. Available on every report. Open in spreadsheet for analysis. Send to a treasurer, training officer, board member. Rent. A print-friendly layout that hides the navigation and controls, shrinks the table to fit the page, and keeps the report title and summary cards. Your browser print dialog handles the page breaks and save as PDF if you need one. Preview before printing. Multi-page reports paginate cleanly. PDF export through your browser's print to PDF. A few things not in this version. Cross-org rollups. Useful when you have multiple agencies on one TicketsCAD install. In the backlog. KPI dashboards with charts and graphs. Today, reports are tables. Chadar coming. Custom report builder. Today, the standard reports cover most needs. If you need something custom, the data is in the database. Your IT volunteer can write a query. Recap. 12 standard reports across 2 button groups, incident and personnel, plus a PAR accountability report on the incident side. Period filters. Responder and incident filters. CSV export and print friendly. Charts coming. Up next, Module 23, Mobile. Field use, PWA install, and the field unit view. See you there.